So sorry for being not able to post. It's just been too busy. So much has been going on, so I didn't have time to make videos and post them. So this is the first one after so long. I'm getting ready to go and see a play called Babies. I don't know, it's a new play, so the first time I'm seeing, so I don't know how it's going to be. Hopefully it's good. So let me get ready and come along. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and I'll try to keep posting, but it's just been so busy that there's no time to do videos. So let's get on with it. Thank you. I've already creamed my face, put everything on, and I've already filled in my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna carve it out now. So with my fine concealer, and it's almost running out. I just need to order a new one. I love this thing, it's so amazing. So I concealed my eyebrows, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of this Haani'S Radiant Glow before I apply my foundation. I'm not gonna use actual foundation, I'm just gonna use a skin tint because this kind of has a cover in it. So I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty skin tint. Look how my skin is glowing. This stuff, this is really good. It makes you glow, and especially at night, so nice. So I'm just gonna use some of this. Just gonna put it on top of my hand and take the same brush. I'll use the same brush. This is stippling brush, so I'll just use some. Just gonna take my wet beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna blend it in. That's so beautiful. My skin feels like this, but it still looks good. Concealer, same concealer. This gives color, but it's so beautiful and it just melts in your skin like butter. Made by Mitchell blushes. This is peach sugar. It's so lovely. Color beautiful. I'm just going to add a little bit with Can't Cope with Coral made by Mitchell. Just tiny bit. Look at the colors. Corally. Just a little bit. I got this brush from Shein. It's so beautiful. It just fits in your eye, the inner corner of your eyes. Just blending it into the blush. I'll take the beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend it in. The blush and at least. I'm just gonna add a little bit hydrating Como concealer by e.l.f. A little bit to just brighten up my inner corners. I'm just gonna set my face with apple powders, and this is by Beauty Crop Pore Filter. This stuff is so good, you won't feel you've got anything on your face. This is my Mary Kay mineral powder, so I'm just gonna set my under eye before I do the rest. This is nice. Gonna bring back some color, so this is bronzer by Revolution.